Welcome to stemeXe. This tutorial will help teachers and school admins set up their data in stemeXe for education. As a teacher or a teaching admin in the school, you can add a new teaching subject from Technadoc so that it can be assigned later to its corresponding classes. To do so, switch to Admin View. From here, go to Topics. To create a new subject, click on the plus icon. Fill in the corresponding details about the subject you want to create. Topic owner is the teacher or the tutor of the subject. Video URL. This could be an introductory video for the subject. And finally, pick a logo. You are good to go. Now click on Add. The newly created subject is added now to the list of subjects. Once the subject is created, you can add educational material to it. To do that, click on the subject's title. You can add teaching channels that have a group of videos explaining the subject from channels. Your playlist could be added from OneDrive, YouTube, Vimeo, or any external data source that have educational files. For example, let's add a YouTube channel. Now moving to the library, where you can add educational files from your device, like worksheets, reading chapters, exercises, and solutions. To add links related to your subject, go to Topic Links. Here we can add links for external educational systems so that students are able to reach all the systems from one place. Once the subject is all set, you can always create more subjects by clicking on the plus icon, then following the previous steps. Create as many as you need. Once all the subjects and their educational material are ready, you can start now assigning them to their corresponding classes. Click on the three dots next to the subject's title. Now select Manage Access. Choose the class or the classes where the subject is required from, then close. Do the same for the other subjects. Now that all subjects are ready and assigned to your class or classes, let's create the lecture schedule per subject for each class. To do that, choose Admin View, then go to Webinars. To create a schedule for your subject, click on the plus icon. Choose the subject you want to create a schedule for. In the Webinars URL, you can add webinars, Teams, Google Class, Zoom, or even a link to any material in the library. In this example, I will add a Zoom link that students will follow to attend the subject's lecture in their schedule. Here you can add your notes about the course. And finally, schedule the dates and the times of the subject's lectures. First, choose the occurrence. I will go with weekly. Pick the start and the end date of this occurrence, which is mostly the beginning and the end date of the semester. Then pick the start and the end time of the lecture. Pick your time zone. And finally, the registration type. Once all the required data is filled, click on Schedule. That's it. Now I will demonstrate the app's view from students' perspective. As a student, I will log into stemeXe using my credentials. I will choose to join my classes group. In this example, I will choose Digital School Demo. I will land first on the Feeds tab, where I can view my school's announcements as well as my teacher's announcements to my class. Here, teacher can add studying material and even homework. I can interact with these announcements by liking them, adding comment, and following when I want to receive more updates about a specific announcement. To view my schedule, I will go to the Events tab. I can see what lectures I have to attend today and the time of each. Clicking on the lecture's title will show me more details about this lecture and a link to attend remotely. I should simply click here to attend this lecture at its scheduled date and time. In the library, I will find a list of my courses. To view more details about a specific course, I will click on its title. Here I can see an introductory video, a description, and the contact details of the teacher. If I scroll down, I will see the educational material for this course. First, webinars that I have to attend. Videos for this course's chapters where I can watch and learn. Documents posted by the teacher, which may include worksheets, exercises, and solutions. And at the end, blog links that will help me in studying. In case I need to submit any school's request or even homework, I will go to the Requests tab. Here I can view my submitted open and closed requests. I can add a new one by clicking on the plus icon, choosing the request type and filling the corresponding details, then clicking on Submit. Parents can use the Requests tab to submit their requests as well. In the profile, I can view my personal information and edit them if needed. I can view my social currency score, my contacts, and I can invite my friends to join me in my stemeXe experience. Finally, the chat, where I can chat with my teachers and friends. I can have a chat with a single person or create a private conversation with a group of people from here.